Applying for a course at Wirral Met is easy. Simply head to our website, wmc.ac.uk, and explore our wide range of courses, including apprenticeships. Under the Courses tab, you can choose to browse our 16 to 18 study programmes, 19 plus adult courses, CPD courses, apprenticeships, traineeships, and higher education. If you prefer, you can browse by subject by clicking on the Subjects tab. From animal management to travel and tourism, you're sure to find a career path for you. Simply click on an area to see which courses we offer. Once you've found the right course for you, simply click on it to access more information, including entry guidelines and progression options. To apply, simply hit the green Apply Now button at the bottom of the page, which will direct you to complete a short application form. Thank you for considering Wirral Met for your next steps, and good luck.